Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, reading po natin ito for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Please do note, no, na itong reading na ito ay hindi siya personal. So, pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Kung hindi ka makaka-relate, huwag pilitin. May, may mga next readings pa tayo. And, ayan, sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, may ilan-ilan pang na-available or pwede kang ma-avail doon sa aking TikTok shop. Feel free to check it out. Astrological reading yan, available pa. Yung bracelet yun na may kasamang astrological reading. Dalawang klase, naka-promo pa siya. 299 at saka 699. Okay, yung isa kasi crystal bracelet, yung isa evil eye bracelet. But anyway, if you are interested, pumunta ka na lang doon sa aking TikTok shop. Let's start your reading. This is for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Devil, the Ten of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, one more card. Queen of Cups, Page of Pentacles. I feel like some of you water sign, pwedeng may ending na nangyayari sa'yo ngayon or something needs to end. Kasi nakakaramdam tayo na hindi pa siya, yung iba hindi pa tuluyan nag-end, yung iba kailangan lang siyang mag-end or dapat mag-end. But, yung iba, pwedeng you're not facing this reality or hindi mo hinaharap tong ending na to. Kaya hindi siya nagkakaroon ng ending. Yung iba naman, pwede nagkaroon ng ending. Yung iba, I don't know, I feel like hindi ka pa open regarding do sa ending na yan. So, kung may mag-end, hindi ka pa totally handa, no? You're unsure of the future, no, what will happen after this ending. So, may mga ganon na, kumbaga, maybe it has something to do with your career, ayan, status, yung iba, could be may kinalaman sa property, friends, money, ayan, home, iba-iba kahit saan bahala ka na kung saan doon. But the way I see this, yung iba nga kasi, most of you, a lot of you, ang mas nakukuhanan natin na hindi pa siya nag-e-end. But you have to face this ending. Pagdating sa love, sino tong person nakakonect ni water sign? Pagdating sa love, sino tong person nakakonect ni water sign? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. For water sign, please. Person nakakonect ni water sign. Seven of Cups, Seven of Swords, Two of Cups, dalawa yung energy na kuha ko If this is a person in the past, this person is thinking of you, iniisip ka niya. Pero may mga times na umiiwas siya. Or nire-respeto niya yung ending na nangyari sa inyo and maybe this person hurt you. So, pwedeng nag-focus na siya sa new relationship, new connection, or maybe business partners or I can see partnership or relationship with someone. If not, if hindi pa, If hindi pa nag-e-end yun sa inyo, or this is a person na currently may relationship kayo nitong taon to, and you want something, no? Or this person, actually itong energy na ito, hindi ko malaman kung siya or ikaw. Pero, someone here is meron ng iniisip na parang in the future, maybe other connections. And honestly, this could be a possibility of a third party, third person kind of energy. So either ikaw, meron kang iniisip na iba, or siya ito na may iniisip na iba. And kung mangyayari yung ending, this person is definitely, meron na siyang person na pwedeng iniisip niya na dito pwede ako maging vocal, pwede ko sabihin sa kanya yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa akin. And kasi itong taon to, nakikitaan ko to ng relationship potential. Although wala pa naman silang relationship ngayon, no? Pwedeng iniisip niya na just in case magkakaroon ng separation sa atin, sa kanya ako mag-open up. Kasi alam ko itong taon to, may possibility na tanggapin niya ako or magkaroon ng partnership or relationship sa amin. So may ganun. And that could be you. Pero kung wala ka namang iniisip na person, na iba pang person right now, this could be your person. No? But I can see a father figure. And I can see the word fame. So this person could be famous or thinking about, or one of you is medyo parang attracted sa mga kilalang tao or famous na tao. Maybe mahilig ka sa K-pop, K-drama, mga ganun. Or vice versa, pwedeng in person mo yun. And anyway, let's move on. No? Ano yung emotions niya dalawa nitong taong ito? Nine of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, and the King of Wands. Kukunin ko na rin yung emotion ng person na ito towards you. Queen of Wands, Knight of Wands, Three of Wands. Okay. If this is a person in the past, kasi dalawang energy nga nakukuha natin. Some of you, this is still a present person. Yung iba, past person. So, for you, dealing with the past person, part of you is naalala nitong person na to. Like, of course, hindi ka naman niya ganun kadaling makakalimutan. Pero with the Nine of Swords, mas naaalala mo yung sakit or hindi na okay, hindi na siya mag-work. Like, kahit bumalik yung taon to, no, I'm seeing you walking away, leaving the situation. Mas focus ka na sa pera eh. Mas focus ka na sa public image mo, reputation mo. Or if there's children na involved, mas focus ka na sa children. No, maybe you can accept this person maybe as a friend, or maybe may kinalaman sa mga properties or taxes, and especially if you're married with this person in the past. So nandun yung feeling na parang kung babalik siya, may usapin na lang na may kinalaman sa mga naging accomplishments or mga nakuha during those time na magkasama. And if you're dealing with a person who is still in the present, nakikita natin yung a lot of passion, sexual desires. The Nine of Swords, nandun yung sakit or lungkot for you kasi you can feel right now yung feeling na parang itong person na to anytime pwedeng umalis or lumayo or maisipang i-end or mag-end ang connection. And maybe it has something to do with your mentality. You're having anxiety, depression dito sa taong ito currently, because there's something in this person na very mysterious, na parang hindi mo maiwasang hindi mag-isip ng hindi maganda or hindi mag-isip, some of you, you're overthinking. Kasi pag anxiety, depression, minsan yung utak na natin yung kalaban natin dyan. And because you are attached to this person, damay siya, di ba? Pwedeng may mga naiisip ka dito sa person na to na tinatago or karma, etc. But some of you, this is really affecting your partnership or your relationship. Kasi parang nagiging masama or hindi na maganda yung connection ninyo dahil doon sa mga naiisip mo regarding sa kanya. And so ngayon nakikita mo na lang or tinitignan mo kung saan magiging kapaki-pakinabang tong taong to. Like, anong purpose? Anong meron? Kumaga, ano pang gagawain niya to help this partnership or connection na mag-work. Maybe may usapin kasi regarding money, pagtutulungan, like some of you, of course, I don't know, some of you pwedeng may live-in partners energy ako nakukuha. So, because of mga ginagawa niya sa home or sa house, of course, kinoconsider mo rin yon. Like, it's hard to leave a situation hanggat nakikita mo na may halaga pa siya dahil may purpose siya eh. Some of you, siya yung tagaluto, ganyan, or siya yung taga bayad ng bills. So may pagtutulungan sa part na iyon. But regarding sa love, don't get me wrong, sexually I can see sexual connection, sexual okay naman, kumbaga balance pagdating sa part na yon. The Six of Swords and the Lovers is here. Some of you, you need to move on. Ayan, sa connection. Marami ka na natutunan dito sa person nito, and with regards to your home, and this is the time wherein you need to focus on yourself, to take care of yourself. Yung emotions mo, kailangan mong maging masaya sa sarili mo. And I feel like this person is no longer making you happy. Pero hindi mo kailangan hanapin sa kanya yung happiness dahil I feel like kaya mo namang ibigay yon sa sarili mo. So what will happen in the future for the both of you for this connection? For water sign, what is the outcome of this connection? Okay, you do have the World, Eight of Swords, Ace of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Ten of Pentacles is here. Mutual energy, please. Four of Cups. Knight of Cups is at the bottom of the deck. I will be using this deck. Wait lang. Kukunin ko lang siya. And yes, this deck is special siya sa akin because ginawa ko po itong deck na ito. So ako yung nag-draw, and messages here are special. So I will use this deck for you, water sign. Kukuha tayo ng at least 3 cards dito. Okay. So you do have your soulmate. The Hanged Man. And you do have your death. Ayan. And the Fool is at the bottom of the deck. Okay. And the Fool is actually in reverse. So I will read this in reverse. In the future, nakakita tayo ng hindi na sure na connection sa inyong dalawa. The Four of Cups, this is a mutual energy. Parang both of you, hindi na ninyo alam kung ano yung future. Kumbaga kung magkakaroon pa ba ng partnership or what. Both of you are not sure of the future. There's an ending here. With the World, pwedeng kompleto na yan or tapos na yung yung ginampanan na ito ng taong ito sa buhay mo. Yeah. I just saw the angel number 555. So the angel number 555 is pertaining to changes. No? May mga pagbabago. So hindi naman porke ka mo dumating itong person ito sa buhay mo, yun na lang. Maaring may mga shinake up or binago sa'yo. And I feel like this is your soulmate. So pag sinabi kasi nating soulmate, destiny. So anong ibig sabihin? Pwedeng destiny or dapat lang talaga, no, na dumating siya sa buhay mo to teach you a lesson, to inspire you, to give you somehow something na makakatulong para kumbaga magiging part ng buhay mo talagang itong person na ito. Pag sinabi nating part is parte lang. Kasi the way I see this with the Hanged Man and the Death card, I see this as as nung mga era ng nung mga time na uso pa yung pinuputulan ng yung pag may ginawang mali is hinahatulan ng bitay, pinuputol yung ulo. And this is the feeling or the energy na nakukuha natin dito. So, it's like you cannot escape the reality dito sa connection ninyo ng person na ito, na itong connection ninyo mag-i-end siya. The Eight of Swords is showing to me as jail. This is showing to me as, you are like a prisoner sa connection na ito. And might be medyo hindi maganda sa part mo, pero you have to accept na kung ano man yung mga natutunan mo dito sa taong ito, you just see this as a learning. Just, isipin mo na lang na hanggang kailan ka magpapakakulong dito sa taong to. For example, yung iba sa inyo, like, hindi pa nag-i-end, kailangan mo nang i-end ito. Kasi hanggang kailan ka masasaktan. The Three of Swords, I can see a lot of pain in the future sa connection na ito. Pero, pain is part of learning sa buhay natin. And, para mabago yung mga pananaw natin sa buhay, ganyan. And, I feel like some of you, this is a past karma. So, maaring nung past life mo, meron kang mga kailangang bayaran na karma noon in your past life, and then this life ngayon mo siya babayaran yung mga karma mo nung araw, mga ginawa mong hindi maganda nung araw, then pwede ngayon siya and this is for you na mas mag-evolve ka pa spiritually, sa iyong lifetime. Now, the World is here. I can see you being complete. I can see you don't need this person, you don't need anyone in your life. Lalo na kung nakakaramdam ka ng hindi kayo okay ng person na ito. There's this feeling, okay, mahal mo siya, pero may pero diba? Parang, it's time for you na piliin mo naman yung sarili mo, no? I feel like your soul, yung mismong sarili mo, no, is telling you na tama na, pagod ka na, you need to focus on yourself, love yourself. Ayan, kung hindi niya maibigay yung mga bagay na hinihingi mo, like hindi kanya magawa ang priority niya or what, maybe it's time for you to let go and pakawalan itong person na nagpapahirap sa'yo. Okay? So, if you're thinking about marriage or connection ninyo, and some of you, this could be children or what, people come and go. Even the children, pag lumaki sila, kumbaga magkakaroon din sila ng sarili nilang buhay. So, it's like you have to focus on your life. Yung children, they would understand. Ang kailangan mong pag-focusan or mas mahalin ngayon is yung sarili mo. The way I say this, you still can be happy kahit wala, or can make yourself happy in a way kahit wala itong person na ito. And yeah, I can see the possibility of love affair or third party situation, lalo na kung gano'n, may pagsiselos, may kalungkutan. It will just lead you na ikaw ay madedepress, magkakaroon ng anxiety, kinukulong mo lang yung sarili mo, at ikaw lang din ang nahihirapan. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.